Hey everyone, for today's Metcon, we're going to be doing for time, which means that we want you to complete it as quickly as possible. We have a time cap of 15 minutes. We're going to be doing two ladders. One is a descending ladder of one exercise and one ascending ladder of another exercise. So in round one, we'll be doing 10 push jerks with each hand. So you'll be doing 10 push jerks with your right hand, 10 push jerks with your left hand, and you'll be doing one box jump over. That is round one. Round two, you'll be doing 9 push jerks again with each hand, 9 with your right hand, 9 with your left hand, and then 2 box jump overs, so on and so forth till we reach 1 push jerk with each hand and 10 box jump overs. And to make things a little more spicy, in your 4th round and in your 8th round where the X's are marked, you will not be doing those number of reps, but instead you'll be only be doing 25 V-ups. So if you have an X marked on the first exercise and X marked in the second exercise, it's a total of 25 V-ups, not 25 V-ups twice. Today's intended stimulus will be a medium quick pace, especially in the beginning. We want you to go a little more harder because you have a total of 20 push jerks. Now as the push jerks keep decreasing, the reps are going to get less and less, and it's going to get easier and easier. So go fast in the beginning, finish your first 3 rounds as fast as possible of your push jerks and box jump overs, and once you get to the middle of the workout, that's when it's going to start getting a little easier. Let's take a look at the movements. The push jerk starts off with the weight on your shoulder, a small dip, a jump. Using your legs, drive the weight up, catch it with your elbows locked out. Then you got to stand up to finish the repetition with the full extension of your elbows, hips and knees. Bring it back down again and continue till you finished all the reps with your right hand, then finish all the reps with your left hand, so on and so forth. For the jump overs, we're going to require a stool or some kind of small object that you can jump approximately, if you can. We wanted knee height. If that's too much for you, if your knees hurt while jumping at home, or you need another exercise because you don't have a stool or something to jump over, speak to your coaches and they'll give you something else. Twice in the workout, we're going to have 25 V-ups. V-ups begins with you lying on your back on the floor. You throw your hands forward, bring your feet up with your knees as straight as possible, and try and touch your toes with your upper back off the floor. If that's too difficult, you can scale it down by doing V-tucks instead, where you just bend your knees, bring it to your chest, and you touch your heels instead. If you need any other scaling options for any of the exercises, you can speak to your coaches. You can also reduce the reps depending on what weights you have. Have a great one, guys. Don't forget to upload your scores, and I'll see you again tomorrow.